taking your juice, okay?
Where are you going?
Going for a walk.
Are you going to take your baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. It's a movie. I'm not taking a picture. You look beautiful, though. Do some ballet for me. That's awesome. Look at that. Did Aunt Natasha teach you how to do that? Let's see you do some dancing. This is a good song to dance to.
That's dancing like a fly.
Uh-huh. Wow, so graceful. Very nice.
It's called a ballet dance.
Yes, it is. Hey, show me your H1N1 shot. Show me your boo-boo. Yep, look at that. Maggie got it today. And she got a sticker for being such a good girl.
And another sticker.
Yep. You were very brave, weren't you? Okay, say goodbye, boo-boo.
Bye.
I love you.